How to fix Coinbase Wallet app not working. Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. As you can know that Coinbase Wallet highly relies upon your Wi-Fi connection. So if your Wi-Fi is acting up, you can switch into a better Wi-Fi connection or cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, relaunch your Coinbase app, and I bet it should be up and running. However, if the issue still persists, there might be a technical bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, all you need to do is tap open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. Head over to all apps. Now at the top you will see a search icon. Search on Coinbase. Then tap on the 4-stop button, press on OK. Then head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. After which you'll be able to clear up any of the technical bug or the glitch issue. By this way, you'll be able to fix your application not working. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.